Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends, the microphone and the Xbox 360 controller. Plug a wired headset or compatible mic into the controllers too. 5mm jack. This is the only native chat path. Once done, make sure the controller is powered and synced to the console because the mic routes audio through the controller. If you have a wired USB headset, note, Xbox 360 does not support USB chat devices for games, so use the controller jack instead. Next, connect and configure. Push the mic plug fully into the controller jack until it seats. A loose fit causes dropout. Then press the guide button, navigate to settings, and open the audio or connect and devices section to find chat settings. Make adjustments to chat mixer and mic volume so game sound balances with voice. Once adjusted, test in a party or with a friend. This verifies you can hear and be heard and isolates whether the issue is hardware or software. Finish by confirming everything works. Join a party chat and speak. Listen for your voice or ask someone to confirm. If no audio, swap the headset to a different controller so you can tell if the controller jack is faulty. Make sure mic mute switches are off and batteries in wireless headsets are charged. If problems persist, clean the jack gently with compressed air and replace the headset if the microphone or cable is visibly damaged. This single-path setup means a bad headset or jack blocks chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.